We love the springtime bloom in Sacramento, but if you suffer from allergies, every bud can look like the next sneeze. It turns out that dust and dirty air filters could be making your seasonal allergies even worse. Big Mountain Heating and Air is here to tell us how upkeep of your HVAC system can bring homeowners some relief. Here to put us at ease is Baron Larson of Big Mountain Heating and Air. Hey, Baron.
Hey, how are you, Desiree?
I'm doing good. You know, luckily I'm not sneezing right now, but it's allergy season right now. A lot of us are sneezing. So, Baron, while we clean our homes, why should HVAC spring cleaning fall on our to-do list?
Well, you know, make it easy on you. We'll do it for you when it comes to your heating and air conditioning system. So, yeah, it plays into so much of what we don't realize. Just our heating and air conditioning systems, they cost us half of our utilities. They create a healthy environment in our homes. This is all if we're not taking care of them. They can cause your system to break down, meaning the dirt that collects in the systems. And we offer a service when we come on here that we love, because we can have the time to kind of set us apart from our competition, because what we do is truly different than a typical furnace or air conditioner tune-up, as we've talked about.
And you mentioned dirt, so being a culprit of breakdowns, could you elaborate on that a little bit more?
Yeah, when our system's running, it moves more dirt annually than a household vacuum cleaner does. People don't realize it's moving that's typical in all of our homes, as you can see in that picture there. We try to stop it all at the filter. You can't stop it all. Air's got to get through that filter and get into, that's a furnace, and that's the motor that moves the air throughout the house. And if you got a dog or a cat in your house, you know, it even exacerbates the problems of indoor air quality. And so we provide a service that is not just at a special price, but is over the top in the amount of service that we give you for a loss leader pricing, and meaning that we're spending 2 and 3 hours. So you kind of got to set some time aside, but we do limit it to the first 10 callers when we come on the show, because it's costing us a lot of money to gain you as a customer for life. That's why we do it.
There we go. And I mean, you had mentioned dirt being the biggest culprit. So on top of having allergies already, that dirt kind of building up in our HVAC systems can play a part into us sneezing a lot. Tell us what's unique about the service Big Mountain offers our YCL viewers, Baron.
Well, number one, it's what we call a 2-for-1. And so it's not just one or the other, not the furnace or the air conditioner. It's not just one season, it's for the full year. And we guarantee, after we've performed this service on both the furnace and the air conditioning system, that is so comprehensive, we can guarantee it against breakdown for the year. And that's unique.
Yeah.
And the other unique aspect, or one of the other unique aspects of it, is we guarantee you're going to save more than double the cost of the service on your utility bills. So in essence, it's free.
Yeah. And you said for the entire year.
Yeah.
Okay, so throughout the entire year, so you extend that guarantee, so you're seeing it throughout the upcoming year.
Yeah, and it's there's no small print. All right. We don't say unless you do this or unless you did this because you didn't do. No, if you're not happy, we will refund your cost of the service. No questions asked, but we'll make it right.
All right, and that special offer for our YCL viewers, Baron.
Yeah, that number you see on the screen. Give us a call at that number, and you can be one of the first 10 callers. And it's only, get this, $69 for all the service that you get there, that typically is an upcharge for some of the things that we do in our service from other companies that end up costing you hundreds of dollars. So that number, 378-4664, or find us at bigmountainair.com, and hey, call before you have a problem. You'll be glad you did, I guarantee it, as we get really close to those 100+ degree weather.
I know, we're going to be dreading that weather, so we want to make sure those HVAC systems are working well. And you're bringing, I mean, I like your tie there, and it's kind of giving me luck of the Irish. Are you Irish?
I don't know.
You might want to do a little family
I
ancestry.
miss bringing it on. I bought this specifically for, what's the name of that Irish holiday? Sorry.
St. Patrick's Day.
There we go.
There we go.
All right.
He's still living it. Still going on. All right, Baron, I'm going to let our viewers know where they can go for a little more info. Spring into action by going to bigmountainair.com for details on all of their heating and air services.